Hello traders, how are you? First of all, I want to say you welcome everyone who is old and new in my cute platform. As usual, I want to give you a piece of advice again today. Brother, better from loss in forex market must learn from anybody. If you will do trading after learn, then you can change your life. Otherwise, if you will do trading without learning, then you will be crush your life. Now let's move on the 2 day videos. First we look first we talk about DXY. If we watch the daily time frame, then the market has created a demand. So now the market has valued to the demand. If we see the H4 time frame, then you can see market has been not broke the previous high. Therefore, if we combine the daily time frame and H4 time frame, then we must wait for the base zone. Market DXY must be retest the this zone, base zone. Then we will see for buying here. You can check trend has been changed in D1 time frame and H4 time frame, but now we are saying that for retrace, when market will be completed the retrace, then we will be enter for buying, otherwise no. Okay, so guys, now we will talk about the GBP USD. If we I have already made the GBP USD analysis, you can see in your public groups, and we are watching first of all D1 time frame, because we are using a trend checking for D1 time frame. Now we you can check your trend has been changed already, and now market going only for retrace. You can check your previous high is not break, and now you can check market has been doing ranging here, then will be down. Now if we see the H4 time frame, then possible, let us see here, market will be do ranging here area, then will be down. Okay, market must be do ranging because gold is DXY is coming for retrace, therefore GBP USD must be do the ranging, then will be down. And next our pair is Euro USD, sorry. And now we see the D1 time frame. You can check our small little trend is broken, trend is broke, and now you can see market must be go here from the far buy zone. And if we see the signal for your USD, then you must be hold wait for this area, because that's our entry area. Now you can check, I have says yesterday that if break the below, then they will be the next target is the 1.1840, and if we not break, then must we go to the retrace, then will be down. Now we will put selling on sell limit on 1.20800. Okay, we will sell from here. our stop loss will be here and our target will be here. Okay guys, I hope you are understanding Euro USD forecast. Now we will talk about the BTC USD. First of all, we will watch the D1 time frame. Now you can see market trend has been changed. Okay, BTC USD trend has been changed, and now we will put a entry for selling. Our bias, retrace zone is here, and already BTC USD retrace has been completed. Okay, now we will find the previous support. Our previous support is here. BTC USD next target is 28,000 2000 28,000.00. Okay, and now if we see the H4 time frame, then you can check for short term trend has been changed. You can check if we see the H4 time frame, then you can check, but our trend is selling, therefore we want to do sell, and now we want to check our retrace point. You can check market has been completed the retrace. Maybe market will once again touch to the 78 level. Possible. Maybe BTC USD will be touched to 78 level, then must be down, because DXY is coming for retrace and confirming valid to demand, therefore maybe they will go up a little and then will be coming for selling. Okay, so good luck, take care and take care your family, and remember me in your prayers. Okay ji, take care, Allah Hafiz.